Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to check a character variable stores a space or not by using the if statement. Ch is my variable. I am obtaining a character from the user, input of enter a character. The input statement receives the character and store it in the variable ch. The entire character will get displayed in the console. Now I am checking the character is having a space if the variable ch comparison with the space followed by colon. Character variable ch double equal to, I'm giving a single quotation mark, and that means it compares the space here. If ch equal to space, I am printing print you entered a space. That's it. I'm obtaining a character from the user by displaying enter character using input statement. It receives the input which is entered by the user and store it in the variable. I'm checking the entered value is a space. Okay, if it is a space, it will print you entered a space. Otherwise, it won't print anything. The control will transfer to the next statement after the if block. We'll execute the program. Now I'm not entering anything. So you entered a space is my output. How it happens? So I'm just press and enter this empty space which is stored in the character variable. If ch double equal to space, the comparison is true. That's why it is printing you entered a space. Now I'm running a program. I'm entering a character a, so nothing happens. In this case, if character double equal to space is false, that's why the control is transferred to the next statement after this if block. That means this place. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment, and press the bell button. Thank you.